Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about this particular crypto and its owner or the founder. They are now the owner and the company have got themselves involved in a lawsuit of about $9 million. Now, now what happened? So, what went wrong in this particular crypto, and what sort of learnings or guidance should the investors take from this kind of an investment? Apparently, a lot of investors have lost their money. So I wanted to talk about this particular case. This is a crypto firm called Torque, and the founder's name is Bernard Ong. The businessman. He is a businessman based in Singapore, and so let's try and dissect this particular lawsuit and what went wrong and what are the learnings for crypto investors. So before we do that, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please comment on my videos, please smash the notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video, and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my videos. So having said that, let's talk about it. So first, we'll try and see what do we know about this lawsuit. So this guy called Bernard Ong is a Singaporean businessman who is the CEO of the crypto company Torque, and he is being sued by a Greek investor by this name Georgios Bianazis. So now Bianazis has accused Ong of breaching a corporate guarantee for millions of dollars in investments placed with the firm by the name Snap Innovations. Now, of course, let me tell you, Snap Innovations has actually, tried to stay clear of this particular deal. Absolutely. So that's aside from this particular topic that we are discussing today. So, was sued for an amount of 9 million US or 12 million Singapore dollars relating to Torque, where he worked. Now we try and understand what do we know about Torque and this guy Bernard Ong. So this has been quoted by the main newspaper, the web news channel in Singapore, that there are over 70 police cases against Torque. There is a news article which I read from which says that there are about 110 police cases against Torque. But I don't know how much truth is there in that. I will go with the more established news article from Straits Times, which says 70 police cases against Torque. Now the retail investors were told in February of 2021 that one of its employees had violated Torque's rules, corporate rules, and that his unauthorized trading activities had caused significant losses in the investors' trading accounts. So they had put the blame on one of its employees, and this they said back in February of 2021, 4 months ago. So Ong's Instagram account reveals a December 2020 purchase of a McLaren 600 LT, which is worth about 664,000 Singapore dollars, which is about 498,000 US dollars. So he used some money from somewhere to buy a McLaren for himself. And not only that, his Instagram account also showed off what he claims was his expensive looking birthday gift. So there was a gold something and a celebration with money cake with his friends who are investors, so-called investors, or probably who were in cahoots with him in this particular deal. If this particular malpractice is proved wrong, this is definitely in connivance. He was in connivance with a group of people. And Torque Trading seems to be a Ponzi scheme that was running or already ran out of money. So that's what the interpretations are based on the reports that are coming out now. Now, of course, this particular case is under investigation, and a lot of more details should be coming out in the next few days or months. But what we know at this point in time are all of these. Now, what should the investors learn from this? What investors should look out for? First, what value does the platform, crypto, or the product create? So, if you look at Bitcoin or Ethereum, they are creating a value. They're creating a value that can provide a solution to challenges. So that is why those are genuine cryptos or genuine platforms where investors should or can invest in. Second, what are the solutions that are being offered? So what are their fundamentals? What kind of solutions? Let's tie in with the first point on the value is what kind of solutions. So it could be in the fintech industry. It could be like REN, where you can actually swap between cryptocurrencies, between platforms. So that's a solution that it's offering, which was not there up until now. And what kind of fundamentals they're building on? So what would be the platform they're building on? Like REN is built on Ethereum platform principally. So what is that fundamental? What kind of technologies they are using? So we need to find out all of that before you invest. Third point, who are the people behind the company, the leadership? So people like Buterin, who really are known to have great technical skills, who built this great product on Ethereum. So you need to look at all of those before you jump into and put in your money into that particular asset or platform or crypto or product. So what are their vision, mission, future plans? What are they going to do 5 years from now, 10 years from now? What is that? What is the vision? What vision does the leadership have? What kind of mission are they are into? Are they well explained? Are they in line with over the past few months or days or weeks or years they've been in existence? Have they followed that path of achieving that vision? Are they in that same vision to achieve that vision? The future plans. Go take a look at all of it. Try, read up, understand, talk to more people. How are they going to survive the competitive world? It's definitely competitive. Every day there are new cryptos coming up. The people building products. How are they going to survive? Do they have the means to survive? Are they innovative? What are they building? So all these elements, all these pieces need to fall in place before you invest, you even think of investing. How are they going to grow your money? That's the most important point. It's your money, your hard-earned money. You're putting in money for them to grow their product and hence grow your money. So as a shareholder or as an investor, how are you going to grow the money that you put in? Very, very critical point. Do they have a strong financial backing? Are there investors behind them? Or are they being funded or even backed by a well-known or let's say any government or any institution, well-known institution? So try and find out all of that. See where they stand, what kind of footing they have, how strong their footing is in the financial aspects. Are they going to last the competitive world, as I mentioned before? Are they for the long term? Look at all that. And at last, beware of the FOMO mindset. Don't feel that if you don't invest and they grow big and you've lost out. The fear of missing out is a big challenge for investors to beware of, or to stop themselves from actually investing in something which may even go bust. So these are the points that you should look at before you go ahead and invest. I did a video on what are the aspects that you should look at before you go and invest in crypto. I have put in 5 main points over there. I'll put a link in the card above to that video. I did this video about 2-3 months ago. Please go and take a look at it. So overall, I think you need to critically think of every aspect before you put in your own money. You have to dissect the company, their people, their product, their value it adds, the solution that it provides, what are their future plans, how competitive they are in the market, and the main important point is, are they financially strong? How are they going to build or grow your money? So those are the points that you must take into consideration before you invest. So look at this particular case of Torque. There have been investors, already 70 plus investors who filed police cases against the company and against the CEO. So obviously they did not do their due diligence. Tell me, if you are looking to invest in a stock market, wouldn't you do due diligence? You would. Or if you're hiring an investment management company, then they will do the due diligence on your behalf. So you must do all of this before you get into putting in money into these kind of risky assets. So that's it, guys. As you know, I have an ebook on my journey as an entrepreneur. It's titled 6-Figure Corporate Job to Master Entrepreneur, where I've spoken about my journey when I quit my job in 2010, my 6-figure blue-collar corporate job, and how I became an entrepreneur, what I lost, what I won. I have even tried to put down, the challenges I faced, and I put down worksheets. I put in 3 worksheets, which are essentially, to try and gauge your mind, how good or where are you at in terms of becoming an entrepreneur. You could score yourself and see where you stand. The cool thing is I scored myself based on my mindset back in 2010, and you would know how much I scored then, and from there how I moved forward into my entrepreneurial journey over the last 10 or 11 years. So you will find all of that. You will get this ebook on my website. The link is flashing on the screen. I would put the link in the description box below. You can put down your name and email address, and the link to download the ebook will be emailed to you into your inbox. I hope you like the ebook. That's it, guys. Thank you very much. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. My LinkedIn URL will be in the description box down below. Please go ahead and connect with me. If you are looking to engage me as your consultant, where I could help solve your business, marketing, investment, and technological challenges, which I do regularly for many companies, please drop me a line on LinkedIn after you connected with me, or you can write to me on the contact page of my website, whose URL will also be there in the description box below. Then we can communicate with each other and get into a conference call and see how we can work together. That's it, guys. Thank you very much. Again, please like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, please comment on my videos, please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video, and please share my videos with people who you think would benefit from my studies, from my curation, from my research, and from my videos. So Take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Until I see you next time on the next video, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.